GRISHAM machine manufacturing industry welcomes readers of Coimbatore South Cellphone Directory. We are specialists in all kinds of food processing machines to produce large quantities of chapatis, parota, seva, idiappam, samosa, idli, chips, murukku, appalam, etc. We use high quality materials for hygienic usage and easy maintenance. Our machines are simple to operate. Any person can operate with little training. Our equipments are useful for all types of hotels, restaurants, college hostels, cafeteria, and also for self-employment. Our product range includes chapati making machine, parota making machine, idiappam, seva making machines, etc. Now you will see an automatic ready to eat chapati making machine in operation.
Dear readers, to avail offers and discounts, remember to say, I have seen you in Signpost Cellphone Directory. Like, comment your thoughts, share, subscribe and click the bell button.